Hey there, it's Jason Jaynes, CEO of eCatholic. Are you ready to take your ministry to the next level? Because time is running out. The Engage Virtual Summit is happening October 21st and 22nd. And if you're not there, you will be missing out on the biggest Catholic leadership and evangelization event of the year. This is where pastors, communication professionals, diocesan leaders, and ministry directors come together to learn from top Catholic speakers, sharing the latest tools, strategies, and inspiration to help you grow your community and spread the gospel in a digital world. Don't wait. Sign up while there's still time at summit.ecatholic.com.